currently chasing my friend who is in my JCW, and another friend who is in his tuned M240. So this will be fun. And right now we're in the middle of the desert, and the temperature is like 104 degrees. So awesome. Right now we're chasing a C7 Corvette. Which apparently is not as fast as us. Oh yeah, as you can hear it, all those pops and bangs, just like the ones in my car. I feel like this car pops even more and even louder. Wow, dude, this car has so much grip. Oh yeah, one more thing about this car is that it has the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So literally the best street tires, best summer tires for the street. So that's why this car has like way more grip in corners than mine. Oh, okay, we're behind the Mercedes now. This road is so good. It's perfect for minis. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, subscribe if you like it, want to see more, and as always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time.